Here comes the dinosaur. Grayson, are you decorating Christmas cookies? Now don't just eat all the sprinkles. Let's see you. Do you want a candy cane to decorate next? Grayson, don't eat all the sprinkles. You gotta put them on and don't spit it out. We don't spit it out.
That's disgusting.
Okay, what colors are you gonna decorate next?
Yucky. Let's try this one.
Is this one done?
What are these?
Are you gonna decorate the red one? Did you get some?
No.
You want to sit up here, Ed? Come here. There we go. Watch your head, baby. Watch your head, honey. Good job, Gray. That's a good one. Perfect. Perfect.